How to fix UEFI settings missing on your Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, in this video I've brought a few fixes which you can apply to your computer if your UEFI firmware settings is missing. So the first method, you have to search for edit power plan. So if you search for edit power plan, just open the settings, and from here you want to tap on the power option. So just click on this. You have to go back in options, so here you will find this option, choose what the power buttons do. Just click on it, and then from here click on this change settings that are currently unavailable and make sure that all of these are selected. Now once you do that, you can save changes. This is the first method. The second method that you want to do is open your run dialog by pressing Windows plus R. It will open up your run dialog box, and here you want to search for MSI info. So just search for this. Here you'll have to search for MS info 32. So just click on enter. Now this will open up right here, and make sure that your BIOS mode is on UEFI. So you just have to check this if it is correct or not. This is the second method, and the third method is you will have to create a new shortcut on your desktop. On your location, you will have to type shutdown and then space, then -R, and then space again, and then -FW. Once you do this, click on next. Then you can name this shutdown with UEFI. This is the name for the shortcut, and then you can finish it. Now you just have to right click and go to its properties. Head over to advanced, and then make sure to run it as administrator. Now just click on OK. And after you do this, click on apply and then OK. So you just have to double click on this and allow this to make changes. So once you do this, you can restart your computer once. And once you click on restart, it will take you to a choose option mode where you will have an option that says troubleshoot. Just click on it, then click on advanced option, and then UEFI firmware settings. Then you can simply turn off your computer once and then turn it back again. And that's how you can fix this problem. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.